Your Excellency Sheikh Hasina, Prime Minister of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, I am deeply honored to warmly welcome Your Excellencies and your delegation on your first official visit to Thailand. Thailand and Bangladesh share a long-standing friendship since 1972. Given our historical and cultural affinities, this visit reaffirms our commitment to further strengthen our bilateral relations through trade and investment, development cooperation, and tourism. Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and I had substantive discussions on many issues of mutual interest. We reiterated our commitment to enhance cooperation in various areas for the mutual benefit of our two countries. On trade, we welcome our bilateral trade volume at $1.2 billion US. We believe that both sides can do more to expand our economic cooperation. Trade and investment facilitation was highlighted during our discussion to increase trade and investment volumes, as well as to create a resilient supply chain. I encourage the Bangladeshi side to provide investment promotion schemes and ease of doing business measures which will facilitate and attract more Thailand investors. I am pleased that Thailand and Bangladesh are committed to working together towards a free trade agreement or FTA. I believe that the letter of intent signed today will help to expedite the negotiation process. Three important memoranda of understanding, one agreement was also signed today, namely the agreement on visa exemption for holders of official passports will facilitate more travel between Thai and Bangladeshi officials. The MOU of energy cooperation will help materialize our true potential from energy cooperation. The MOU of cooperation and mutual assistance in custom matters will lead to effective border control and anti-smuggling operations, and the MOU on cooperation in the field of tourism will allow us to exchange knowledge, experiences, and best practices in these areas. Both sides also aim to elevate cooperation in agriculture, in particular halal and food processing sectors. We will collaborate to make use of our resource to ensure food security for our people. We also attach importance to the improvement of infrastructure and connectivity. The commencement of direct shipping between Ranong Port and Chittagong Port will enhance our maritime connectivity and help bolster our economic activities. On medical tourism, I have reassured the Prime Minister that Thailand will continue to provide excellent medical services at competitive prices for Bangladeshi seeking treatment in Thailand. We also discussed the possibility of cooperation in training and capacity building for Bangladeshi medical personnel. On educational cooperation, Thailand proposed a collaboration on vocational education. We are glad to see mutual commitment to foster work-integrated education to develop our workforces. Ladies and gentlemen, beyond our bilateral engagement, Thailand will host the BIMSTEC summit later this year, while Bangladesh will become the next BIMSTEC chair. We share the same view and vision that BIMSTEC is a key driver of regional economic growth and a mechanism to promote closer bonds between the two regions. With a combined total population of 1.8 billion people, there is huge potential for BIMSTEC to achieve much more. Thailand appreciates Bangladesh's role in providing humanitarian assistance for displaced Rohingya since 2017. Thailand has also given our support towards Bangladesh's endeavor in order to achieve a sustainable solution in this matter. Lastly, on behalf of the government of the Kingdom of Thailand, I would like to express my firm commitment to drive cooperation and encourage exchanges in all dimensions, at both government and public levels. And I thank Her Excellency Sheikh Hasina for making this historical visit. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Your Excellency, Mr. Srettha Thavisin, Prime Minister of Kingdom of Thailand, representatives from the media, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to you all. I would like to thank Prime Minister Srettha Thavisin for the warm welcome, good gesture of friendship and willingness to strengthen our bilateral relations. Bangladesh attaches great importance to her relations with Thailand as an immediate neighbor. Our friendship is deeply rooted in our historical, linguistic, and common culture heritage. The warm and cordial relations between our two countries are ever grown in multifaceted areas of cooperation. This morning, Prime Minister Thavisin and I discussed in detail the bilateral and regional issues of mutual interest. We see Thailand as a very important and dynamic partner in our engagement with the vibrant economies of Southeast Asia. On trade cooperation, we discussed at length measures to enhance the current volume of our bilateral trade and agreed to work together to achieve healthy two-way growth. I assured the Prime Minister to take the necessary measures for investment facilitation and ease of doing business in Bangladesh. I proposed to the Thai side to invest in our special economic zones and high-tech parks and to take one special economic zone exclusively for Thailand. We both agreed to commence our negotiations on a free trade agreement FTA by the year 2024. In this regard, our concerned ministers of commerce have signed a letter of intent LOI. To facilitate smooth contact between Thai and Bangladeshi officials, we signed the agreement on visa exemption for holders of official passports. We already have an agreement for diplomatic passport holders. For Bangladesh, Thailand is a potential partner to engage in energy cooperation. To explore the potential of energy cooperation, the Memorandum of Understanding MEU on energy cooperation was the second instrument signed. A third Memorandum of Understanding has been signed on cooperation and mutual assistance in customs matter. To benefit from Thai knowledge, experience, and best tourism practices, we signed the Memorandum of Understanding on cooperation in the field of tourism. To ensure food security for our people, we explored the possibility of collaboration in the agriculture and food processing sectors. Regarding maritime connectivity, we discussed the direct shipping line between Ranong Port and Chattogram Port. We are following with great interest Thailand's flagship land bridge project. We discussed the possibility of cooperation on training and capacity building for Bangladeshi medical personnel. I also proposed him to explore the possibility of investing in hospitals and medical facilities in Bangladesh. I proposed to the Thai side to enhance cooperation among specialized universities between the two countries, especially in agriculture, fisheries, and food processing. Ladies and gentlemen, Prime Minister Thabistin and I also discussed regional cooperation mechanism under the BIMSTEC framework. Thailand, as a current chair and host of summit to be held later this year, will have over the chairmanship to Bangladesh. We firmly believe the BIMSTEC is a key driver of regional economic growth for a total population of 1.8 billion. To achieve a sustainable solution to the Rohingya crisis, Bangladesh sought the support of Thailand. To conclude, I reiterate the importance of high-level visits between the two countries. On behalf of the government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, I invited Prime Minister Thabistin to undertake a return visit to Bangladesh. We want to welcome him very soon. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.